biggest barriers to fluency in French is active listening. It's so tough to find audio that's at the right level, relevant, and if we're being realistic, actually catchy enough for students to want to hear it twice. But what if you could create a custom earworm for your students in seconds?
J'aime beaucoup les ananas, c'est une belle journée.
Or maybe you want to hear that differently as an exciting anthemic rock song.
J'aime beaucoup les ananas, c'est une belle journée.
Welcome to TechTips with Cameron. I'm Cameron, and today we're diving back into Lyria, Google's latest AI music model, but this time we are fully focused on how we can use it for our French teachers. Think about the grade 5 core French curriculum. We're looking at Strand A listening. We want students to recognize familiar words and phrases in structured songs. With Lyria, we aren't just playing music, we're modeling the language they're actually learning in class. Start out by creating from scratch. What you do is, inside of Gemini, staying on fast, click on Tools, and head down to create music. You can type in what you need, going to the pool and swimming as an 80s power rock ballad in French. You can type these instructions in French as well. In about 45 seconds, it comes back with your song.
Le monde s'efface dans le bleu profond.
It handles the French language and the rhythm, so you don't have to be a songwriter to get a professional sounding result. The coolest part? You can ask Lyria to generate the lyrics for you so that you could share those out with your slideshow or with specific students if that helps them with their comprehension. And there we have it, our song all about the burning ocean as they swim through the stars of time, a true 80s rock ballad. Now, maybe you already have a script for a short dialogue. You can take that text directly into Lyria and turn it into a produced track. We can make sure that the song fits exactly the scene we're trying to create, all while empowering students with the ability to listen and make context of their learning. So I picked K-pop, and I'm going to use the dialogue to create this French song, all about going to the movies.
Tu veux aller au cinéma, il y a un nouveau film d'action. Oh, je n'aime pas trop l'action. Est-ce qu'il y a une comédie?
Doesn't get much better than that. Once your 30-second track is ready, we need to get it to the students. You can download it as an MP3, save it onto your computer, and then upload it into your Google Drive. Once it's in your Drive, you can change the sharing permissions so that anyone with the link can view. You can head over to a presentation, click Insert, Audio, click on Recent, and embed your track. You can even give students visual clues inside of this slideshow that are going to help them build their comprehension about what it might be about. You can truly make this song come alive. And when you insert audio onto a slide, you can have it play on one slide, or you can uncheck the box that says stop on slide change and have this song play through all the different slides you have. We've got our 30-second song, and it's right here for us.
Salut Clara, tu es libre ce soir.
I'm going to be listening to that all day long. Using Lyria to bring your French language curriculum to life is one great way that we can increase engagement and should have your students humming and singing in French all day long. You guide the content, the AI handles the production. Remember, professional judgment is key. Always listen to your tracks before sharing them out.
Keep the human in the loop.
Hope this helps, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.